Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us as we launch Season 2 of our NDTV Nirmal Marks for Sports campaign. It's still Marks for Sports, this time with a little bit of a twist. We're calling it Marks for your cities as well. All of that will be revealed to you shortly, but first, we have to fill up all these chairs over here. And let me begin firstly by inviting two people who've been very, very central to this campaign, who've provided the inspiration for this. Mr. Dharmesh Jain, the MD of the Nirmal Group, along with Dr. Pranoy Roy from India. Please put your hands together for the Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Mr. Ajay Makhan, who's very kindly flown down from Delhi to be with us. Well, more with all these gentlemen in just a moment. But first, we'd just like to introduce somebody who's been, what can we say, just the rock star of our campaign.
Ranbir Kapoor danced for us. He even played football. In fact, he even hosted our sports awards.
Virat Kohli ko gussa kyun aata hai? I've really not been able to put a finger at it.
All this and more as the country's heartthrob made it his passion to support our cause.
क्योंकि अगर आप मार्क्स फॉर स्पोर्ट्स दोगे तो सिर्फ इनका ही नहीं इंडिया का रिपोर्ट कार्ड चमकेगा.
Not surprisingly, our campaign ambassador had all the sports stars wanting to be a rock star.
Hi. Girlfriend bन जा मेरी.
Bilkul, I'm ready.
I love you, Ranveer. Girlfriend बन जा मेरी. तू और मैं रॉक करेंगे.
मुझे अगर आपका ऑटोग्राफ मिल जाता तो मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती.
Ranbir was equally gracious, paying tribute to our top sports people.
I've heard that badminton wanted an only skirt rule. If I say if somebody looks as pretty and beautiful as you, we have nothing to worry about. So you go get them.
That's charming, Ranbir. But what we love the most is how you're such a good sport.
अरे बावड़े भाई गणे चक्रा ना हंडा जब मारने लग गया ना थोबड़ा तोड़ दूंगा.
Hey बावड़े भाई. Thank you so much for coming here and supporting this campaign. We're really excited that this is year 2 for us. So our first brand ambassador for Mumbai City. Anyone, any guesses out here? You have a guess? You guys will really like the brand ambassador for Mumbai City. You boys out there. Can we have Bipasha Basu on stage? Can we have Mr. Sehwag please on stage? He is our brand ambassador of Delhi. Let's have it for Baichung Bhutia, ladies and gentlemen. So our next brand ambassador is a Hyderabadi girl. Let's have it for Sania Mirza, please. Please give it up for Mahesh Puguri. Brand ambassadors for the city of Bangalore.
Come on, put your hands together.
Beauty queen and of course very eco-friendly. Can we have Diya Mirza, please? Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Mr. Milind Soman.
Well, on that round of applause, it's quite appropriate to bring in Dharmesh, the vision, the inspiration behind this campaign. Dharmesh, a few words about what we managed to achieve.
I do believe whatever little I've achieved in life is only because of sports and because of the discipline fitness has brought into me. I honestly believe in today's world and in today's life, fitness is as important as any other subject for which marks are given. Our children deserve to be fit. They deserve to enjoy life. Please give marks for sports.
Taking a cue from NDTV and Nirmal Lifestyle campaign, we are going to come up very soon with our recommendation to the Education Ministry and to the state government very soon. What we are saying is, don't give marks for sports as such, but give weightage, marks for physical fitness of a child. So physical fitness is something which is measurable. Sports you can't measure, and sports you can't compare boxing with wrestling, you can't compare boxing with cricket. So the best thing to do is to measure the physical fitness of a child, and it should be gender specific, it should be age specific, and it should be the district or locality specific also.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.